Jennifer with Entry Envy, and I'm going to show you how to hang a vertical sign on brick. From the standpoint of hanging this on brick, it wouldn't matter whether it were vertical or horizontal, but the vertical ones are a little simpler to hang because there's only going to be one slot. So on the back, there is a keyhole cut, and on each end, it's a bigger area where you put the screw actually in, and then you're going to slide the sign over. So that's why it won't come off once it's in the middle. First, decide where do you want your sign at, and kind of stand back, look at it, hold it up in a couple different spots. Remember that you have to change this out each month, so don't put it up so high that you can't get to it or somebody can't see it. So we're going to go right about this location right here. And when you're screwing into brick, you don't want to go in through the mortar area, you want to go through the brick itself. So we're going to go for this board, and then we want to make sure our screw is in the center. So we're going to just go right across here, and we've got 12 inches wide. That's about as easy as it gets for math. So we're going to go right here to 6. And I'm just going to hold the screw here a second. So this drill bit is a diamond tip bit, which allows you to be able to screw into brick or hardy plank, and you want to make sure you're making a pilot hole. You kind of want to make sure you blow it out a little bit. Now these screws are provided in your kit when it comes with your sign, and they are called multi-material. They go into brick, they go into wood, they go into hardy plank. It doesn't matter. We're going to make sure that now you've got the star tip fit in with the multi-material screw. And you're going to screw into the hole. Okay. We're not going to put it all the way in, but we're going to leave it out a little bit, but not too much. You can always come out a little bit if you need to. And we're going to put it into the keyhole. And you're going to slide it over. And there is your sign. And don't panic if you got your screw off just a little bit. You got a little bit of play. So that's it. You're done.